Hello and welcome to the Online Force. I'm Robin, and in today's Wix tutorial I'm going to show you how to save your site. Let's dive in. This one is short and simple, but also an important step. The last thing you want to do is spend time editing your page and then forget to save the progress you've made and need to do the work over again. We've all been there and it is very frustrating. So here's how to avoid that. From your dashboard, we're going to click Edit Site, and this will take you to the pages you've been working on. And I want you to imagine you've been adding or altering pictures and text on the site. And before you move away from this page, this is what you need to do. Click Save in the top right. There you go. You've secured all the work you've done. Your progress is safe. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to publish your site. Okay, short and sweet. That's it for today's tutorial. This is the Online Force, and I'm Robin. Keep building, keep learning, and may the force be with you always.